In this video, I'll show you how you can enable and disable the app notifications on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, all you have to do on the watch is simply swipe down on the watch face and then tap on the settings wheel icon. And then from here, within the settings, scroll down and select apps and notifications. Tap on that and then simply select notifications. Now from here, simply tap on show all to see all the applications that are currently installed on your watch, and then find the application that you'd like to enable and disable the notifications for. So let's say, for instance, this particular app, messages. Tap on it, and then you should see a toggle switch icon next to the on option. As you can see, by default, they have been enabled. So if you like to turn it off, simply tap on that toggle switch icon, and that will disable the notifications for this particular application. If you like to enable it back, tap on that toggle switch icon, and that should enable it. You can repeat the same process for all the other applications that you have. So you can simply open an application, simply tap on to enable it, and tap on off to disable it. Okay. Also, you can do this from your phone using the O Health application. So all you have to do is launch the O Health application on your phone, and then tap on device. And then from here, scroll down and select notifications. Now, in case you haven't set up the notifications, simply select turn on and allow the notifications. So I'll just find the O Health application and allow notifications. So I'll just tap on OK, and then go back, and then turn on again, and then enable those notifications, and then select OK. And then once they've been enabled, you can go back to the application and you should get to this section. And then from here, all you have to do is tap on manage app notifications. And then you should see a list of all the available applications that are currently installed on your Watch 4, OnePlus Watch 4, sorry. And then from here, you can simply enable and disable notifications for each application, as you can see. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.